beautifully with Ethan. Their chemistry brought long lines in the theaters and resulted to unimaginable box office success. Our phenomenal box office queen of Philippine cinema, all hail Queen Catherine Bernardo.
Presenting the trophy for the Guillermo Foundation is Dr. Lani Santiago. Also presenting is Winnie Reyes.
On behalf of Ms. Catherine Bernardo, maraming salamat po sa Guillermo Mendoza Memorial Scholarship Foundation for this recognition. Kath shares this with all the overseas Filipino workers who, like Joy, embodied the Filipino spirit, filled with hope, strength, and love. Maraming salamat po and good evening to us.
Behind the phenomenal movie of the year. Congratulations, most popular screenwriters of the year. Carmi Raimundo, Crystal Hazel San Miguel, and Olivia Lamasa.
Presenting the trophies for the Guillermo Foundation is Evelyn Agno.
On behalf of the creative teams from Hello Love Goodbye to Hello Love Again, we would like to thank the Guillermo Mendoza Box Office Awards for this recognition. Thank you to all our kababayans in Hong Kong and Canada for sharing their stories. And thank you to all those who watched Joy and Ethan's stories from the beginning up until the very end. Muli maraming salamat po at mabuhay ang pelikulang Pilipino.
The movie Hello Love Again